Is there only one type of Morse code? When you think of Morse code, you might picture the classic dots and dashes signaling a message. But did you know there is more than one type of Morse code? Let's break it down. There are two main versions: International Morse Code and American Morse Code. For survival skills and emergency communication, International Morse Code is the one you want to know. Morse code is a system that uses short signals called dots and longer signals called dashes to representing letters, numbers, and punctuation. This system was developed in the 1830s for telegraph communication. International Morse Code is the version used worldwide today. It is the standard for emergency and survival contexts. This version has standardized dot and dash patterns for each letter and number, making it recognizable no matter where you are. For example, the distress signal SOS is 3 dots, 3 dashes, and 3 dots, which is easy to remember and transmit. This code is commonly used by pilots, maritime operators, and amateur radio enthusiasts. It is also effective in survival situations when using flashlights or mirrors to signal for help. On the other hand, American Morse Code is an older version that was primarily used in the United States during the early days of telegraphy. It has different character representations and timing, making it less suitable for international or emergency use today. Because of this, it is largely obsolete in survival situations. From a survival skills perspective, knowing International Morse Code is essential. It allows you to communicate distress signals or messages clearly to rescuers using simple tools like flashlights, mirrors, whistles, or radios. This skill remains effective when modern communication devices fail or are unavailable. Learning the International Morse Code alphabet and the SOS distress signal can be life-saving in emergency radio communication or visual signaling. While there are different types of Morse code historically, International Morse Code is the single standardized version relevant for survival signaling and emergency communication. So, if you are preparing for any outdoor adventures or survival scenarios, make sure to familiarize yourself with International Morse Code. It could make all the difference when you need to signal for help.